Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can send money using Elevate Pay. So let's get started. If you want to send money from Elevate Pay, the first thing you need to do is make sure your account is fully set up and has enough balance. Without funds in your account, you won't be able to complete any transfer. Now, open the Elevate Pay app and go to your dashboard. From here, look for the option that says Send Money and tap on it. This is where the transfer process begins. Next, you'll need to add a recipient, also called a payee. Enter the country where you want to send the money, and then fill in the required details, like bank account number or wallet information. Make sure all details are correct, because even a small mistake can cause delays. After adding the recipient, choose how you want to send the money. In most cases, you'll select bank transfer. Then enter the amount you want to send. Before confirming, Elevate Pay will show you the exchange rate, transfer fee, and the exact amount the receiver will get, so there are no surprises. Once everything looks good, confirm the transaction. You may need to complete a security step like OTP or two-factor authentication. After that, your transfer will be processed. In most cases, transfers are completed on the same day or the next business day, depending on timing and destination country. One important tip is to always double-check recipient details and review fees before sending. Also, if you're sending internationally, rates and timing can vary depending on the country. That's it. I'll be back with more in the next video.